How to go live on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can go live on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So before you go live on TikTok, you'll need to be sure that you have the requirements correct. The first is you'll need to be at least 18 years to go live. The other is that you need to be 18 or 19 in South Korea. So this is the requirements by TikTok themselves. And the last one is you must have 1,000 followers. Now this can vary across regions, so keep that in mind. After you have the requirements set, you can go to your TikTok. And after you're on your TikTok, tap on the plus icon on the bottom. After you tap on it, if you meet all the requirements, you'll get a live button on the bottom right corner. Now it should look something like this. So after you tap on live, you should be able to go live. And that is how you go live on TikTok, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.